Hi everyone, welcome to our next lost item, and using the Staedtler Design Journey pencils as always. I often forget to say at the beginning of the video, I'm sorry, it's always in my description. What I've used is always in there, so if you're in any doubt, go and pop down and have a look. We're doing this sort of cider jar is what I think it is today, which is great fun. I'm going to start by colouring those apples. I think we'll use this one. This is number 57, which is a favourite green of mine. It is the olive green. I think, hang on. Yeah, sorry, just trying to read it off my piece of paper. It's curled up. So I'm going to do this one in the olive and this one. But I think I'll do that middle one in red just for a bit of difference and fun. What sort of red would an apple be? Maybe closer to than this one. This is 29, which is our Carmine Red. Maybe that'll be a bit pink. We'll give it a go. We'll see what happens. Maybe it's a pink lady apple. Who knows? Although, if it's British cider, what do they use? They use Cox's orange pippin? Not sure. Anyway, that looks fun. We'll leave it like that. I've got a little tiny leaf. Let's grab a green. 52. This was a nice one. That is, I think, our Sap Green. I guessed that right. I'm getting to know them. And I'm going to do this bit of label here also with the Sap Green. I think it's quite fun to sort of use some of the same colours. That's a bit scruffy. Hang on. I'm going to do that bit a bit harder there. And then, yeah, a bit hard on that one too. There we go. Now this label, don't really want it to be very dark. I think I'm going to use the 16, the golden ochre, for the label. I'm also trying to work out how I'm going to do this sort of terracotta clay colour. I think we've got something actually. So let's just colour that in fairly evenly, like that. But this is a round bottle, so it needs to be darker on these edges. So we'll just pull that colour in like that and that. There we go. That might do. I'll decide in a bit. We're gonna have a look. Now, I think this colour, this is 72, it's dark sand, is a little bit orangey, but I think I'm going to use this as a base, light-ish, and then go over with something else, and I think we might just crack our sort of terracotta-y colour. I don't know what that bit there is, I'm just going to do it with the same colour. I don't know if it's meant to be part of the label. If it is, then I've done it wrong, but never mind. There we go. So it's just a light layer. I was holding the pencil quite near the end there on its side to get that light layer. And then I'm going to switch to the 73, which is our burnt sienna. You see it's a little bit of a different shade. And I'm going to think about my layering too. I want more layers here near the edge and less towards the centre. Same here. Like that, and then here, now on this bit, sort of fading towards the middle helps with the shape of our bottle. We don't want to leave white, which we haven't anyway, because terracotta isn't shiny, it's very matte, but if it's a little bit dark on those edges, it gives it some shape. I've gone very much out of the lines up here with my dark sand, but never mind. So there we go. I'm quite pleased with that colour. I feel it's a little bit too light in that middle though. There we go. And the cork. We need a light brown, which we do not have. So I'm going to use actually quite a dark brown, 76. Darker here and lighter towards the middle. Like that. But then I'm going to grab the 49, which is the fawn. I didn't tell you the name of the other one. It's the Van Dyke brown. And put this over the top. I'm hoping it might just work. Yeah, that's okay. I think that'll do. And let's do our label. I'm still using this colour, you will have noticed. Like that. I rather like that. That's rather fun. So that is our, I'm going to call it a cider jar. Yeah, sometimes I have a little handle, but I'm glad that one didn't. It would have been harder to colour. Oh, well, thank you so much. It was quite quick, but I had a lot of fun. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you have a fantastic day and happy colouring.